Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you another way I try to eat healthy. I call this recipe awesome chicken breast recipe. You can check for the recipe on my blog. This is so yummy, you want to give it a try. I made use of this canned chicken breast. You can use fresh chicken breast. You can use any other meat of your choice as well. What matters most is that you're both having a very yummy, sumptuous meal, and at the same time, it is healthy for your body. The vegetables here are carrots, green beans, and spring onions. You can add as much vegetables or as little vegetables as you please. This is so yummy. You can use it for your rice, yam, bread, anything, trust me, you wish. I've also cut some lettuce by the side, fresh lettuce. This is to help dilute the carbs in the bread. I'm sure many of you have issues staying away from carbs. So what I do is I eat carbs, but then I neutralize them by taking a lot of fruits as well as vegetables. Flushing this down with some green tea is not a bad idea at all. It helps to revitalize your body and your soul, you know. It's a much healthier option than taking other beverages, including milk. Has this video been helpful to you? If yes, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and drop your comments below. Bye!